Hey Edson, it's Mayor Zahara here to give you a COVID-19 update for the town of Edson for March the 25th. I'm going to try to do this every single day to keep you updated on what's going on within the town of Edson. You've probably seen the news release earlier from the town of Edson regarding the Emergency Management Advisory Committee meeting last night. Council met for over 3 hours to talk about COVID-19 and a response for both the short, medium, and long-term needs of our community. I do want to focus on one of the biggest concerns that council has regarding this emergency, and I have personally as the mayor of Edson, that would be people not adhering to the Chief Medical Officer of Health's recommendations of social distancing, of self-quarantining, for staying at home if they are sick. Council had a very lengthy discussion whether or not we were going to declare a state of local emergency in order to basically have unprecedented powers to ensure people were adhering to those rules. Since then, just after the town of Edson sent the news release out, Jason Kenney, our premier, announced fines of $1,000 per occurrence in the province of Alberta for people not adhering to the guidelines set out by the Chief Medical Officer of Health. The town of Edson, our council completely supports that. Town of Edson peace officers and the Edson RCMP will have the ability to ticket people for $1,000 per occurrence, and courts will have the ability to institute fines of $100,000 and $500,000 for people that are not listening to these directives. Let me be blunt. Let me be very clear on behalf of our council, on behalf of our community. If you are sick, you are to stay at home and self-quarantine. If you are returning from abroad, do not stop anywhere. Do not go visiting people. You need to go home and self-quarantine. Follow the directives of the Chief Medical Officer of Health regarding gatherings and social distancing, because these rules will be enforced. Today, I am very angry. I work at a local business, and we had an individual come in here today, sicker than a dog, and put the lives of my colleagues at risk, my life at risk, my family's life at risk. Why? Think about what you are doing. You could be killing somebody. Let that sink in. So please, follow the rules, or tickets will be coming. We don't want to have to issue tickets, but we will. The mayor, our council, is responsible for the lives of 8,400 residents. We are not going to stand for this. So please, adhere to the rules. Let's all work together. Let's get through this together. If everybody's following the rules, if everybody's working together, we can get through this quicker. We can save lives and get back to, hopefully, some sort of new normal. This is a very, very big deal, and some people think it's a joke, and that is very troubling. The town of Edson, our council, administration, working very hard. We're going to be working with partners. We're going to have more information in the days and weeks ahead on how we're going to support our community. But let's all work together. We can get through this together. Be positive, and let's try everything we can to help out one another and be kind to one another. Thank you.